Okay, vintage toy review number 4, I think. I need to check before I actually make this video. Anyways, here we goes. Oh, heck. I'll go to some other light. Oh, here. The same. It's bumblebee from the Transformers. Generation 1. I got this from eBay. It's not actually the original one. Psych. But it's based off the original one. Okay? Sorry about that. Anyways, I want your cable to be seen. And then it says a G1 Transformer. Unless if you count the heck. Okay. Everything's good. These noticeable hands right here. I don't really ignore them. I just ignore them. Anyways, for transformation, you just slip the feet up. Sorry about the copyright music. It's just crap. Flip the arms and the head. And that's just pretty much it. We're actually done already. Haha. Lol. Anyways, here's Generation 1 Bumblebee. Right here, this little fella. For articulation, you might can count as and the arms can go 360. Okay, I'll stop with the jokes. No more hate comments, okay? Stop it. Oh, hey. Get out of shot. Alright. Anyways. This we can do this I'm not quite sure what it's called. Your legs can go up. I like doing this with it. This is weird looking. Well, that's it. Yeah. And now we're done. Anyways, bye. I'm not gonna do an outro.